Hello everyone. Last class we saw about coordinate geometry, how to plot a point, which quadrant it lies. Then we saw about distance formula. So distance formula last class la enna paathom? Distance between two points, let it be A, which is denoted by x1 y1 and B x2 y2. The distance is denoted by square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. This x1 minus x2 you can also write it as x2 minus x1. Both are same one. Okay. So this is what we saw in the last class, and we saw one more property also. What is that? It is collinear. Collinear means we have to find that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is what we have to prove. Okay. In today's class we will get into the application part, that is where the distance is used. Simply finding distance alone is not useful. It is used in some applications. So we will directly go into that examples. So the first example which we are going to do today is example 5.5. What they have given in 5.5, show that 3 points lie on a straight line. Show that 3 points A, B, C lie on a straight line. What is that? How can we do that? If 3 points lie on a straight line, they are called as collinear. So this question is an application of distance, which is collinear. So let me do that. What they have given? A point, which is 3, 1. Then B point 6, 4. Then C, which is 8, C, 6. Okay. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that these 3 points lie on a straight line. So how to prove? We know that, which is AC is equal to AB plus BC. AC is equal to AB plus BC. So imagine if you straight line these 3 points lie on a straight line. So if we take this as A, this as B, this as C, means this distance will be equal to the sum of these two distances, right? In the rendu line, in the rendu distancing kutna total distance correct. So that is what we have to prove. AC is equal to AB plus BC. So first we will take left hand side. What is the left hand side? It is AC. AC. So consider these 2 points A and C. So in this point we have to apply the formula to find the distance. Namakku rendu point irukku. So you can consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. You can take in the reverse order also. So if you take this as x1 y1 and that as x2 y2, apply in the formula square root of x1 minus x2. So 3 minus 8 the whole square plus y1 minus y2. So 1 minus 6 the whole square, which is nothing but 3 minus 8 is 5 minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. Again 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is plus 25. So we get square root of 50. What is square root of 50? It can be written as square root of 25 into 2. 50 can be written as 25 into 2, right? What this comes to answer? 25 into square root of 2 into square root of 2, right? Into square root of. So 25 over square root is 5 root 2. So the answer is 5 root 2. Now we have done the left hand side. Now we are going to do the right hand side. So right hand side, what is that? AB. What is the distance between AB? We have to find square root of. Consider these 2 points. Now this will become x1 y1, this will become x2 y2. Okay, this will become x2 y2. So to apply the formula, 3 minus 6 the whole square. 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 the whole square. What is 3 minus 6? It is minus 3, right? So minus 3 the whole square is equal to 9. 1 minus 4 is also minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square is equal to plus 9. So this can also be written as 18, right? 9 plus 9 is 18. So I am writing it as 9 into 2. 18 and 9 into 2. 9 over square root is 3. So I written as 3 root 2. Right? Now we have found AB. Lastly, the remaining is BC. What is the formula for BC? Consider these 2 points B and C. So x1 y1 I am going to take this as x1 y1. Okay, this as x1 y1. So what is the formula? Square root of x1 minus x2. So 6 minus 8. Square root of 6 minus 8 the whole square plus y1 minus y2. That is 4 minus 6 the whole square. Right? What is 6 minus 8? 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square is 4. 4 minus 6 is also minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square is also 4. So this can be written as 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 can be written as root of 4 into 2. Right? 4 into 2. So what is square root of 4? It is 2. Remaining thing is 2 root 2. So what we have to prove? AC is equal to AB plus BC. See here, AC is equal to 5 root 2. So AC is equal to 5 root 2. AB plus BC is equal to, right hand side is what? AB plus BC, which is AB is 3 root 2 plus BC is 2 root 2. So what is this 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2? Ingi root 2, ingi root 2. So we can add the real part, which is 5 root 2. So see here, left hand side is also equal to right hand side. So we can say that the 3 points A, B, C lie on a straight line. Lie on a straight line. Okay. So this is the answer. What they have asked us to prove? They lie on a straight line. We have proved that. Okay. This is example 5.5. Next we go into example 5.6, where they have asked us to prove it is a right angled triangle. Well, a right angled triangle na enna paapom, then we will go into the sum. Okay. So example 5.6. What they have asked us to prove? That it is a right angled triangle. So what is a right angled triangle? We know it will be of this format. Okay, well, if we take this as A, B, C, this will be called as hypotenuse. This will be hypotenuse, right? Pythagoras theorem padi enna theriyum? We know according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the square of the sum of the square of the other two sides, which is what we have to prove is BC square is equal to AB square plus AB square plus AC square. Okay. So this is what we have to prove. So first of all, if we take in order, கொடுத்துருக்கிறத இந்த ஃபார்மெட்டில் எடுத்தாலும் சரி, நான் இப்போ இதே இதை நான் இப்படி ரீநேம் கூட பண்ணலாம். ஐ கேன் ரீநேம் திஸ் as A, B, C. Then the formula changes. See here, AC is the hypotenuse now. So AC square will become BC square plus AB square. புரியுதா? நான் இந்த நேமை வந்து நான் இப்படி ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வந்தேன்னா ஃபார்முலா அதுக்கு தகுந்தாப்புல மாறும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த அல்டிமேட் எய்ம்? பாருங்கள், எப்போவுமே பாருங்கள், லெஃப்ட் சைடில் ஒன்று இருக்கும், ரைட் சைடில் 2 இருக்கும். ஸோ வாட் யூ ஹவ் டு ப்ரூவ்? சம் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கொயர் ஆஃப் எனி 2 சைட்ஸ். ஏதோ 2 சைடு, நம்ம எந்தது ஏபிசின்னு நமக்கு எப்படி எடுக்கணும்னு தெரியாது. ஸோ நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னா, 2 சைடு ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண போகிறோம். இட் மே பி either ஏபி, ஏசி ஆர் பிசி, வாட் எவர் இட் மே பி. பட் 2 சைடை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் அது இன்னொரு ஸ்கொயருக்கு ஈக்குவலாக வரும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ எனிஹவ் டைரக்ட்லி வி வில் கோ அக்கார்டிங் டு திஸ் ஒன். வில் ட்ரை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திஸ் கான்செப்ட் ஏபிசி. இஃப் வி டேக் இட் இஸ் இன் திஸ் கான்செப்ட் வி வில் ட்ரை. Okay. So see here, what they have given, point A as 7, 10. A as 7, 10 they have given. B as minus 2, 5. C as 3, minus 4. So what we have to find? We have to find AB, BC, AC. இருக்க போகிறது இந்த 3 சைடு தான். AB, BC, AC. See, நமக்கு ஏபி, பிசி, ஏசி எப்படியா இருந்தாலும் இந்த 3 சைடு தான் இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ வில் ஃபைண்ட் ஆல் தோஸ் 3 டிஸ்டன்சஸ் அண்ட் சி விச் 2 வில் ஆட் அப் டு த அதர் ஒன். இந்த 2ல் எதை ஆட் பண்ணால் இன்னொன்று வரும் நமக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ பித்தகோரஸ் தியரம் படி எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் இன் ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ நம்ம டைரெக்டாக ஸ்கொயரை கண்டுபிடிச்சா போதும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வில் ஃபைண்ட் ஏபி ஸ்கொயர். ஏபி ஸ்கொயர். So distance formula square root உண்டு. Since we have squared here, this root will not come. So if I take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, what is the formula? x1 minus x2 the whole square. So 7 minus, inga already or minus, so it will become plus 2 the whole square plus 10 minus 5 the whole square. Why I didn't write the square root? Here I have written square, so I didn't write the square root over here. So what is 7 plus 2? It is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 square is 81. Plus 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 square is 25. So it will become 106. 106. Okay. AB square we have found. Next, BC square. BC square. How to find BC? You take this as x1, y1. This as x2, y2, right? x1 minus x2 the whole square minus 2 minus 3 the whole square plus y1 minus y2. So 5. Already there is a minus over here, so it will become plus 4 the whole square. What is 2 minus 3? It is minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is plus 25. Plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 square is 81. Again it will reach to 106. Okay. Lastly, AC square. Right? AC square. Okay. What is AC square? You find this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 the whole square. Okay. Plus 10 minus of minus. So 10 plus 4 the whole square. What is 7 minus 3? It is 4. 4 square is 16 plus 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 square is 196. 196. When you add, this will become 212. 212. So in order to prove it is a right angle triangle, நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம்? The square of, the sum of square of any two sides will be equal to the square of the other side. ரெண்டு சைடை கூட்டினா இன்னொரு சைடு வரும். ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி கூட்டினோம்னா இன்னொரு சைடோட ஸ்கொயருக்கு ஈக்குவல் ஆகும். See here, here it is 106. Here also it is 106. If I add these two, I will get this answer. Correct? So see how I am going to write AC square is equal to, from all this calculation I have arrived at a conclusion that AC square, which is 212, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Got it? See here, இந்த ரெண்டு சைடோட ஸ்கொயர் தான் லாஸ்ட் சைடோட ஸ்கொயர். ஓகே. ஸோ இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா this is the hypotenuse. ஸோ டயக்ராம் ஆக்சுவலாக எப்படி வந்திருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, if I take like this na, A will be here, C will be here, B will be here. It is of this format. Okay. நம்ம எப்படினாலும் மாற்றலாம்னு சொன்னோம், ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Since we don't know the order, we can shift any direction. Okay. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So we know that ABC form a right angled triangle. Form a right angled triangle. This is what you have tried. Right angle triangle. So what we have done? We have found the distance. Okay. So this is what we have to do in order to prove it is a right angle triangle. Now we will go to the next sum, which is 5.7, where they have asked us to prove, show that ABCD taken in order form the vertices of a parallelogram. So first of all, what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram na eppadi irukum? It will be having four sides. It will be like this, right? It will be like this. Oh, one more concept. What is this? What is that? Is opposite sides will be equal. See here, this length will be equal to this length, and this length will be equal to this length. Okay. So first we have to prove opposite sides are equal. That is what we have to prove in order to make it as a parallelogram. Okay. So first இப்போ என்ன பார்த்தா right angle. Right angle னு prove பண்ணனும்னா we have to prove the square of one side will be equal to the sum of square of other two sides அப்படினு prove பண்ணனும். In this question we have to prove opposite sides are equal. There will be 4 points. We will do that now. So the question is show that, so 5.7, A, which is minus 4 comma minus 3, minus 4 comma minus 3. B, 3 comma 1. C, 3 comma 6. And D, which is minus 4 comma 2. Question they have added one more word, which is taken in order. In order abdina, if I take this as A, this will be B, and this will be C, and this will be D. Okay, so this will be the order. Okay, in the order order. So what we have to prove? Opposite sides are equal. In order to prove that it is a parallelogram, we have to prove opposite sides are equal. What is that? We have to prove AB is equal to DC. So I am going to write to prove. Now prove panno AB equal to DC. Other thing what we have to prove? AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. So first we will go the AB. So how to find distance between AB? AB equal to square root of minus 4 minus 3. 2 point எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Subtract the x coordinates. Minus 4 minus 3. So minus 4 minus 3 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 1. Y coordinate minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So it will become minus 7 the whole square is 49. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 the whole square is 16. So it is root of 65. Right side is DC. What is that? Right side is DC. So you take these 2 points. In the order, this one can be taken as x1 y1, this one as x2 y2. Whatever it may be, I am going to take this as x1 y1, that as x2 y2. Okay, so DC is equal to 3 minus of minus 4. 3 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4 the whole square, plus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 the whole square. What is 3 plus 4? It is 7. So 7 square is root of 49. Plus 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. So again it will lead to 65. See here. 65, 65. So we have proved that AB is equal to BC. AB equal to DC. One we have proved. Okay. Next one what they have asked us to prove, AD is equal to BC. So we have to find AD. AD. Okay. Square root of, here also it is minus 4, here also it is minus 4. So minus 4 minus of minus 4, it will become plus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, this will lead to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So we need not worry about this term. This term is minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. So root of 25, which is nothing but 5. Okay, next AD we have found. Lastly we have to find BC. What is BC? These 2 points. So square root of, what is here? 3. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 6 the whole square. 1 minus 6 the whole square. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we need not worry about this term. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is again 25, which is nothing but 5. So AD equal to BC. See here 5, 5. So what we have proved, AB equal to DC we have proved, and AD is equal to BC, that also we have proved. So from that we can say that ABCD form a parallelogram. Form a parallelogram. Okay. So what is the condition which we have to prove? Opposite sides are equal. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Now we go to the example 5.8. Okay. Example 5.8 is little bit tricky. Okay, so you have to find the related concept in the previous video. So we saw abscissa. Abscissa or word pathom. What is that abscissa? It is the x coordinate value. What we know, abscissa அப்படினு ஒன்னு படிச்சோம், right? Last video ல பாத்திருப்போம். Okay, abscissa. Abscissa. This is nothing but x coordinate value நம்ம படிச்சோம். right? Y coordinate க்கு பேர் என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Ordinate ன்னு பார்த்தோம். Ordinate means y value. Okay, this is what we saw in the last video. See the question here, calculate the distance between the points. So example number 5.8. So what they have given, calculate the distance between the points A, which is 7,3, and B ஓட coordinates டைரக்டா கொடுக்காம क्वेश्चनல எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்க. B lies on the x axis அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. B lies on the x axis. See, if you consider this as the Cartesian plane, x axisல ஏதாவது ஒரு பாயிண்ட் லை ஆச்சுனா, அந்த x axisலயா ஒரு பாயிண்ட் லை ஆச்சுனா, what will be the value of y? What will be the value of y? It will be 0. So any point which lies on the x-axis will have y value as 0. So இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? y ஓட value 0 ன்னு தெரியும். அடுத்து என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Whose abscissa is 11. So what is abscissa? It is the x coordinate value. So x coordinate என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா 11. So instead of giving 11,0, questionல என்ன கொடுத்தாங்க? That point lies on the x axis அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So if it lies on the x axis, the y value will be 0. Abscissa 11 ன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So from this we can find the distance. So distance AB is equal to square root of 7 minus 11 the whole square plus 3 minus 0 the whole square. What is 7 minus 11? It is minus 4. So minus 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 25, which is 5. So the distance is 5. It is an easy question. Okay, but what you have to do, we have to apply your mind. First abscissa ana enna theriyum, x axis la lie aachna enna theriyum. So that is what the main thing in this question. Next question is 5.9. Example number 5.9. Find the value of A such that they have given us PQ is equal to QR. PQ distance equal to QR ன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. Such that PQR are points whose coordinates are அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So P என்னன்னு கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா 6,-1. Then Q என்ன கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா 1,3. Rல என்ன கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா A,8. இந்த A-வை தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. They have asked us to find what is the value of this A. Okay, so what they have given, distance PQ is equal to distance QR. So what I am going to do is I am going to square on both sides. ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா PQ square equal to QR square, right? So left hand side we will find left hand side PQ square. So since there is square, there will be no square root. Remember? Okay, so PQ 6 minus 1 the whole square. 6 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 the whole square. What is 6 minus 1? 5 square. 5 square is 25. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. So what will be the answer? 41. Okay, so what is the right hand side? It is QR square. Right hand side is QR square, which is nothing but distance between Q and R. There will be no square root since there is square. So x1 value is 1 minus A. 1 minus A the whole square plus 3 minus 8 the whole square. 3 minus 8 the whole square. Okay, now you expand. 1 minus A the whole square. A minus B the whole square formula 3 illa. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Same way. A square balang enna irukku? 1 square. Then minus 2AB, right? Minus 2 into 1 into A. So minus 2A plus A square. So this is the expansion, right? A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, that is what I have done. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. So what we have got? 1 plus 25 is 26. Now எப்படி எழுதணும் பாருங்க. I am writing the A square in the first term. A square. Then minus 2A. 1 plus 25 is 26. So we know what they have given in the question. PQ square equal to QR square. So we are going to equate. left hand side and right hand side. PQ square எவ்வளவு 41. So PQ square is equal to QR square. So what you have write? PQ square is 41. Here it is A square minus 2A plus 26. In the 41 அந்த பக்கம் போச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? This will become 0, right? A square minus 2A plus 26 minus 41. So what I am going to do? இது எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த பக்கத்தில் எழுதுறேன் for our convenience. A square minus 2A 26 minus 41, it is minus 15. Minus 15 equal to 0. Minus 15 is equal to 0. So see, we know how to solve this quadratic equation. The equation எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணோம் நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். நம்ம லாஸ்ட் இதிலே படிச்சிட்டோம். அல்ஜிப்ராலே பார்த்துட்டோம். How to do? We have to multiply these two. இங்கே என்ன இருக்கு? 1. 1 into minus 15 is minus 15. மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் minus 15 வரணும், ஆட் பண்ணால் minus 2 வரணும். மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் minus 15 வரணும், ஆட் பண்ணால் minus 2 வரணும். So what I am going to multiply by? Minus 5 plus 3. See, minus 5 into 3 is 15, add panna minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So we can write it as A minus 5 into A plus 3 equal to 0. A minus 5 into A plus 3 equal to 0. So we have to equate. This will become 0, this will also become 0. So write A minus 5 equal to 0, A plus 3 equal to 0. So this will produce A equal to 5, A equal to minus 3. So the value can be either 5 or minus 3. Answer A can be either 5 or minus 3, which is the answer for this question. So in the question enna pannirukanga, they have given PQ is equal to QR. So what we have to do? We have to square on both sides. First we will find PQ square, then we found QR square. Equate பண்ணா ஒரு quadratic equation கிடைச்சிச்சு. அதை solve பண்ணப்போ answer வந்து 5 or minus 3 வந்துச்சு. That is the answer. Okay. So now we will go to the example 5.10. So example 5.10. Question என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Let A 2, 2. A 2, 2. Right? B 8, minus 4. 8, minus 4. They have given 2 points. B 2 points on a plane. Plane and the graph la oru 2 point irukku. Enna point la 2, 2 8, 4 irukku. Okay. So imaginarily we will plot. 2, 2 9 varum. Let it be here. 8, minus 4 na inga irukum. Maybe 8, minus 4. This will be 2, 2. Okay. Then if a point P lies on the x-axis ன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. எங்கே இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க? x-axisல. So a point P, this is A, this is B. A point P lies in this x-axis. Okay, in this x-axis such that it divides AB in the ratio 1:2. It divides AB. அப்போ இப்படி ஒரு லைன் வரைகிறோம் அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இப்படி ஒரு லைன் வரைஞ்சோம்னா this part will be 1, this part will be 2. என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? ஏபின்னு ஒரு லைன் இருக்கு, அந்த லைனை அந்த பிங்கிற பாயிண்ட் டிவைட்ஸ் இன் த ரேஷியோ 1:2. 1:2னா ஏல இருந்து பிக்கு வரக்கூடிய டிஸ்டன்ஸ் 1 பார்ட், நாட் 1 பார்ட். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், this is a different example, so don't take it for classwork. A, B no point. So let the distance be 10. Let the distance be 10. So நம்ம இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னு பாருங்க. We are going to find a point P. Find a point P such that it divides AB in the ratio 1:2. 1:2 அப்படின்னா ஒரு பார்ட் லெஃப்ட்ல இருக்கும், ரைட் சைடில் 2 பார்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்ம ஃபார் அவர் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் திஸ் வில் மேக் இட் அஸ் 9. ஓகே. P. What I am going to do is questionல கொடுத்த மாதிரி 1 part 2 parts ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So total there are 3 parts, right? இங்க பாருங்க 1 part 2 parts. So totally there are 3 parts, right? 3 parts. 3 parts தான் total. Total 3 parts னா இது எவ்வளவு? 9. So 3 parts equal to 9 னா 1 part எவ்வளவு? 9 divided by 3, which is 3. okay, one part is 3. So in the p-ங்கிற பாயிண்ட் எப்படி டிவைட் பண்ணுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க, ஏயும் பியும் 1:2ங்கிற ரேஷியோவில். அப்போ இந்த ரேஷியோ 1, இந்த ரேஷியோ 2, இது 1 part, இது 2 part. 1 partங்கிறது 3, ஸோ the actual answer is 3, இந்த actual answer is 6. புரியுதா? இப்படி தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். That is not 1 and 2, that is 1 part, 2 part. Okay, so this is what we have given in the question. என்ன கொடுத்துட்டாங்க? A point P lies on the x-axis such that it divides the line AB in the ratio 1:2. So அப்போ ratio போது AP by PB or BP எப்படினா எடுத்துக்கலாம் equal to 1/2. ரேஷியோனா இதானே 1/2. ஸோ கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? 2AP equal to BP. 2AP equal to BP. This is what they have given in our question. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we are going to find P. What is P? It is a point which lies on the x-axis, which lies on the x-axis. If it lies on the x-axis, we know y value will be 0. x-axis la lie aachna y oda value eppadi irukum? 0 ah irukum. So x oda value na a nu eduthukken. x oda value a nu eduthukken. Okay, இப்போ என்ன நமக்கு தெரியும்? 2 into AP is equal to BP. So first AP கண்டுபிடிக்கும். இதை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் என்ன ஆகும்? ரெண்டு பக்கமும் if we square what will come? It will be 4AP square equal to BP square. What I did? I squared both left side and right side. So it became 4AP square equal to BP square. So first I am going to find AP square. So distance between AP square. So additionally P is A comma 0. So AP 2 minus A the whole square plus 2 minus 0 the whole square. See 2 minus 0. 2 minus A the whole square. Expand பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 4 minus 4A plus A square. A minus B the whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 square is 4. Okay, 4. So see here also there is a 4, here also there is 4. I am writing A square as first term. A square minus 4A plus 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is the first part which we have found, AP square. Okay, right hand side la enna irukku? BP square. So BP square. What is the distance between BP square? 8 minus A. 8 minus A the whole square plus minus 4 minus 0. Minus 4 minus 0 the whole square. 8 minus A the whole square. Expand பண்ணா 8 square is 64 minus 16A plus A square. A minus B the whole square formula. Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is plus 16. Plus 16. Okay, again rewrite. And now A square minus 16A plus 80. Plus 80. Okay, so we found AP square and BP square. What is the formula we know? 4 into AP square. So applying this, what you will get? 4 into AP square ங்கிறது என்னது? A square minus 4A plus 8 is equal to BP square, which is A square minus 16A plus 80. Okay, so before going into the solution, they have given one more point in the question. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க? X-axis, if a point P lies on the x-axis in the positive side. Positive side na it is lying in the above part, மேல இருக்கு. So it cannot be negative. புரிஞ்சிருச்சா? Positive side it cannot be negative. Okay, so see here we expand 4 into A square. 4 into A square minus 16A. 4 into 8 is 32 equal to A square minus 16A plus 80. See, 16a will get cancelled. In the a square மட்டும் நான் இங்க கொண்டு போறேன். இந்த 32 நான் அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போறேன். This is come to this side, a square comes to this side. So what will be there? 4a square minus a square is equal to, right hand side there is 80. This plus 32, when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 32. So 4a square minus a square is 3a square equal to, what is that? 48. So 348 will be cancelled as 16. 16 3s are 48. So a square is equal to 16. So a will be equal to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. See, question la enna kuduthirukanga, it lies on the positive side. So it cannot be negative. So enna eludano, since it lies on the positive side, a cannot be what? Cannot be minus 4. So what is the answer? So a is 4. So point P ingradhu enadhu? Point P is nothing but a comma 0. A oda value 4. So point P is 4 comma 0, which is the answer for this question. So the answer is 4 comma 0. So first என்ன பண்றோம், ரேஷியோனா என்ன அப்படின்னு நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Then it lies on the x axis னு கொடுத்தாங்க. x axis நாலே y coordinate will always be 0ங்கறத ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா we can derive the answer. Now we will move to the last example 5.11. So example 5.11. Example 5.11ல circleங்கற கான்செப்ட் வந்தாங்க. So what is the characteristics of circle? Circle எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be like this. There will be a center point. சர்க்கிளோட இன்னொன்று என்னது, சென்டர்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும், and there will be radius. So சர்க்கிளில் ரேடியஸ்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும், சென்டர்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். ஸோ the radius will be same or different? It will be same. ஸோ இந்த சர்க்கிளில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எடுத்தாலும் from the center it will be same, right? So that is what they have asked us to prove. Show that, question number 5.11, show that 4,3 is the center. 4,3 is the center. Okay, 4,3 is the center of the circle passing through the points. Circle வந்து passing through the points. So circle உள்ள points எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. என்ன pointsலாம்னா 9,3, 7,-1, -1,3. Also find its radius ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. So first what they have asked us to prove is this is the center of the circle passing through these points. அப்போ சர்க்கிளில் உள்ள பாயிண்ட் தான் இந்த பாயிண்ட்லாம். சென்டருங்கிறது என்னது? 4,-3 ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. என்ன அப்போ ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம்? சென்டரில் இருந்து சர்க்கிளில் உள்ள பாயிண்ட், சென்டரில் இருந்து இமேஜின் திஸ் as 9,3, திஸ் as 7,-1, திஸ் as -1,3. சென்டர் வந்து 4,3. ஸோ என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? சர்க்கிள்னா என்னது? the radius will be the same, right? ஸோ சர்க்கிள் சென்டர்லேருந்து இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த இதுலேருந்து இங்கே உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ், எல்லா டிஸ்டன்ஸும் கண்டுபிடிச்சி we are going to prove that they are all same. சேம்னா என்னது? they are all radius. Okay, so I am going to take this center as O. Center as O. This point as A, this point as B, this point as C. So to prove, என்ன prove பண்ணணும்? In order to make this as center, we have to prove OA, distance from center to the point OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, which is nothing but radius. What we have to prove? OA equal to OB equal to OC. அது என்னது தான் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா radius. So first we are going to find OA. What is OA? Square root of OA, 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9 the whole square plus 3 minus 3 the whole square. 3 minus 3 வந்து 0 ஆயிரும். ஸோ அதை விட்டுருங்க. 4 minus 9 is -5. -5 square is 25, which is nothing but 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Next, OB. OB, 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 the whole square plus 3 minus of -1. So 3 plus 1 the whole square. What is 4 minus 7? It is -3. -3 square is 9 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is again 25, which is nothing but 5. OA, OB கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். Now we will go to OC. OC 4 minus of minus 1. So square root of 4 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 the whole square, plus 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 the whole square. See, 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 square is 25, that is equal to 5. See, we have found OA is also 5, OB is also 5, OC is also 5. So OA equal to OB equal to OC. So we can say that O is the center. O is actually 4,3. So directly we can write 4,3 is the center. What is the radius? Radius is nothing but OA or OB or OC, which is equal to 5. Radius is nothing but OA or OB or OC, which is nothing but 5. So this is the concept, application oriented thing where the distance formula is used. Okay, so with this the examples gets over. Today I am going to give two sums as homework. The first question, exercise 5.2 la first sum fully you do the homework. First sum la enna ketirukanga, distance mattum kandupidikka soliranga. You have to use the formula, simply the formula. The second question they have asked us to prove it as collinear or not. They have asked us to prove whether the points are collinear or not. How to prove? AC is equal to AB plus BC. If they are equal, they are collinear. If they are not equal, they are not collinear. So you have to do the two sums as homework. In the next video, we will start the third sum. Okay. So I hope you understood today's topic. So இன்னைக்கு என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, first thing right angle triangle எப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தோம். தென் parallelogramனா எப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும் பார்த்தோம். இப்போ சர்க்கிள் பார்த்துருக்கோம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ரேஷியோ வச்சு ஒரு சம் பார்த்தோம். So these are the some applications of distance formula. You practice this sums and do the homework. If you have any doubt, you can discuss in the evening online class. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.